Hi YouTubers, it's Dana, and today we're going to be making edible slime. So the ingredients we're going to be using for edible slime is 1 cup of gummy bears, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil.
Okay.
Now that we got all of our gummy bears into the bowl, it's time to put it in the microwave for a minute. Make sure it's a microwave safe bowl. We'll check on it every few seconds. Not quite. Seconds. It's almost there. Oh my God, it's done already. That's a head rush. Ooh. It's really hot, so I'm gonna have to put on mittens. Make sure you have adult supervision. It smells good, but it looks pretty. Really hot, but it looks pretty. So let's put it up here. Stop. Okay. Okay, our gummy bears are nice and melted down. So now it's time to add our 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and cornstarch. Here goes the powdered sugar. And here goes the cornstarch. Okay, it's time to mix it up. It's turning into slime. Also, I've seen a lot of YouTubers just eat it like this. Don't do that. It's really hot. Make sure you get all the wet ingredients into your slime. Your dry ingredients. So it can turn into the perfect slime. Make sure you share this slime too. It's a lot to eat. Can't eat it all. Just giving it a little tap. Hi guys, now it's really looking like slime. But if you want it to be like really stretchy, add some coconut oil. Your mom might have it for her hair and you can use it. But don't do it without anything else. That's not right. Okay, let's add it in. Oh wait, I need my spoon. Like, slide it out. Get off. Get off. Okay. Yeah, we're there. Okay. So now we've done that, we have to stir it up until all the coconut oil is fully melted. Look at it turning into slime. Remember, you can do this at home with adult supervision.
Okay.
Hi, you guys. It's really starting to look like slime. Let's give it a little taste. Ah. That's really good. It tastes just like cherry. If any of you read my gummy bears, it said cherry on it, so it's going to be cherry slime. You guys can try this at home and you hear it starting to pop. This is what real slime does. But you're not kneading it.